guys, good morning all of you. Shirkesar is here. So today we are going to start lecture number 2 from paper 4 and unit number 2, that is drug discovery, design and synthesis. So let us start with synthesis and application of methotrexate. First we have to see synthesis and then application. In the synthesis of methotrexate, we have to require one reactant molecule, that is pyrimidine. As we know, pyrimidine. As we know the structure of pyrimidine, first and third position have a 2 nitrogen in 6 member heterocyclic compound, and next position have a NH2, then again NH2, then NH2 and NH2. That means all carbon atom have a nitrogen group, so it is pyrimidine pyrimidine. How to remember? In the cyclic compound, 6 member cyclic compound, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 3 position have a nitrogen, and second, fourth, fifth and sixth have a amino group, so that is pyrimidine pyrimidine. This pyrimidine pyrimidine reacts with 2,3-dibromopropenoaldehyde. 2,3-dibromopropenoaldehyde. That means there are 3 carbon atom in longest continuous chain, 1 2 3, and this second position have a third position have a 2 hydrogen and 1 Br group, then second position have a 1 hydrogen, 1 Br, and first position have a aldehyde. Basically it is aldehyde molecule, and 2 3 position have a 2 substituent, that is bromo. So how to write the name? 2,3-dibromopropenoaldehyde, or you can say it is propanol molecule, 2,3-dibromopropanol. Okay, then after that, when pyrimidine pyridine and 2,3-dibromopropanaldehyde or propanol when reacts, then 2 side product will be occur, that is one is removal of H2 and another one is removal of HBr molecule. How to remove? Oxygen from this aldehyde carbon and 2 hydrogen from this fifth position nitrogen, okay, and 1 hydrogen from this 6th position nitrogen and 1 Br from the second carbon, the third carbon. Like this, H2 and HBr when eliminated, then this reagent and reagent form a cyclic compound, that is pyrimidine molecule. We have to write the structure again. Pyrimidine molecule, NH2, second position have a NH2 group, then third position have a nitrogen, fourth position have again NH2 group, and cyclization process at fifth and sixth carbon and formation of bicyclic compound, that is first intermediate, will be formed. So this is first intermediate by removal of H2 and HBr. After that, this first intermediate, that is bicyclic compound, is reacts with again another reagent, that is NHCH3 group is attached with benzene ring, and this benzene ring is attached to again CO, NH, COH, CH2 twice COH. This molecule is called amide derivative. You can say it is amide derivative of benzene. Okay, because why? Here CONH group is present, so that's why you can say it is amide derivative of benzene. When this amide derivative is reacts with first intermediate, then you will get methotrexate by removal of HBr molecule. How to remove HBr molecule? One bromine from this first intermediate of this carbon and one hydrogen from this nitrogen. Okay, so like this HBr molecule is eliminated in the last step and you will get the methotrexate molecule. How to write the structure? After removal of HBr in the second step, your pyrimidine molecule, and pyrimidine molecule second position have a NH2 group, then fourth position have again NH2 group, and fifth and sixth carbon fuse with 6-member cyclic compound, and further this CH2 group is again attached with NCH3, and this nitrogen is again attached with benzene ring, then C double bond O NH, and this NH group is attached with COH acid group and CH2 2 times and COH group. So the name of this product is methotrexate. This is for 3 marks question. Okay, like this you can write the synthesis of methotrexate. Okay, and it is very important in exam. Then next part is application of methotrexate. Application. There are 3 applications of methotrexate. First one is it is used for the treatment of cancer. It is used for the treatment of cancer. With combination of other chemotherapeutic agent. Okay. Then second, it is used to treatment of cancer like acute lymphocytic leukemia, breast cancer, epidermoid cancer of head and neck cancer. That means this methotrexate molecule or drugs used for the various cancer, that is breast cancer, then head and neck cancer, etc. Then third one is it is used in the treatment of lung cancer. Again, it is used to treatment of lungs cancer. Okay, so this is the application of methotrexate molecule. Okay, this is for 1 marks. You can write any 2 application in exam for 1 marks and 3 marks for synthesis. Okay, then the next synthesis is synthesis of diclofenac. Synthesis of diclofenac. We have to require the reactant molecule in the synthesis of diclofenac, that is benzene ring, is attached with NH, and NH group is again further bonded with benzene ring and 2Cl group at the adjacent position of carbon. Okay, so this is the reactant molecule. Okay, so what is the name of this reactant molecule? 1 2 3 4 5 6 2,6 dichloro 2,6 dichloro diphenylamine. Okay, so this 2,6 dichloro diphenylamine is reacts with COCl twice. That means it is oxalyl chloride. Oxalyl chloride. What happens when this reactant molecule is reacts with this reagent? Removal of simple HCl molecule, okay, and formation of intermediate. Okay, so how to write the intermediate? Benzene ring is attached with nitrogen, and the nitrogen again further bonded with benzene ring, and 2 and 6 position have a chloro group. Then this nitrogen is again bonded with C double bond O and Cl. That means one hydrogen from this nitrogen and one Cl from this oxalyl chloride. How to write the structure of oxalyl chloride? C double bond O, Cl and Cl. The removal of one Cl from this oxalyl chloride and hydrogen from this nitrogen, and you will get first intermediate. That is first intermediate in diclofenac synthesis. Okay, then this first intermediate is in the presence of aluminum trichloride. This is weak acid or Lewis acid. You can say it is Lewis acid. Okay, after that, when intermediate is reacts with or in the presence of aluminum trichloride, then this chlorine molecule and this hydrogen of this benzene ring eliminate the HCl molecule, and you will get the second intermediate, that is the closing of ring between this carbon and this carbonyl carbon. Okay, you can write the structure. How to write the structure? Same, but only change ring closing take place. The ring closing take place and formation of 5-member cyclic compound in between carbon, 2 carbon of benzene ring, 1 nitrogen and 2 C double bond O. After that, the second intermediate, this is second intermediate, reacts with diamino compound, that is hydrazine molecule. That is what? Hydrazine molecule undergo Wolff-Kishner reduction or reaction. After that, you will get, after reduction of this carbonyl compound, simple 2 hydrogen and 2 hydrogen, we have to add across the C double bond O, and C double bond O is converted into CH2 and the removal of water molecule take place. Okay, then how to write the third intermediate? Simple, only a removal of H2 molecule and presence of here CH2 molecule, and C double bond O, benzene ring, Cl. Okay, so this is third intermediate. The third intermediate is again treat with acidic condition. What is it? Acidic condition, that means acid hydrolysis take place. Then you will get next last diclofenac molecule, that is after addition of water in the presence of acidic medium, then you will get the main product, that is diclofenac. How to write the structure? CH2 after addition of water, C double bond O, COH, and NH group is bonded with benzene ring, and benzene ring have a 2 and 6 position have a chlorine group. Okay, so the name of this product is diclofenac. Again, this is very important and it is for 3 marks question. Okay, so this is your diclofenac synthesis. Then next part is application of diclofenac. Application of diclofenac. As we know, the diclofenac molecule, it is used to reduce pain. It is used to reduce pain, then swelling and inflammation. Then second one is diclofenac potassium tablet. Diclofenac potassium tablet, that means when salt of diclofenac tablet we have to use, then it is used for short term relief. short term relief of pain, and inflammation caused by surgery or dental work or when the surgery take place. Okay, and surgery. Okay, so this is all about diclofenac application. In this lecture we are completed methotrexate synthesis and application and diclofenac synthesis and application. Both are very important. Thank you.